skim the Firestore boards properly, first make sure that the surface is clean. Use a rhino tape and apply over the straight joints. You need to use a plastic corner bed on the inside and outside corners to keep the corners strong and perfect. Mix the Rhino Glide according to the instructions and apply over the screws and joints. Use a drywall taping knife to skim it evenly between the two boards, covering the seams and Rhino tape. You need to skim the entire wall with Rhino Light to get a smooth and even texture all around. Mix the Rhino Light according to the instructions, then apply to the wall with a minimum thickness of 3 mm. You can use a trowel or drywall taping knife to spread the Rhino Light evenly on the walls. When the Rhino Light is touch dry, you need to splash small amounts of water onto the Rhino Light, just to make it slightly wet enough to float properly. Use a plastic float to float the walls until you get a smooth and even finish. Let it dry overnight. After all seams are covered and smoothed properly, the walls are ready to be painted.
If you have any queries, please visit our website at siteform.co.za.